Alright, what is going on, guys? Welcome back to a new video. Today we're going to be learning about how to modify list elements. Now let's go ahead and return to our garden. Garden equals tomatoes, green beans, cauliflower, and grapes. Unfortunately, we forgot to water our cauliflower and don't think it's going to recover. Thankfully, our friend Jiho from Pedal Power came to the rescue. Jiho gifted us some strawberry seeds. We can replace the cauliflower with our new seeds. So we will need to modify the list to accommodate the change on our garden list. So to change the cauliflower to strawberries, all we do is do garden at index 2, which is um, the third element, right? So 0, 1, 2, 3, 0, 1, 2, 0, 1, 2, right? And it's the third element, so 1, 2, 3, right? So we put a 2, and then strawberries, and then now you see we have strawberries instead of the cauliflower. Now negative indices will work as well. So if we wanted, instead of grapes, if we wanted raspberries, we can just do -1 equals raspberries, and we get raspberries here. So we have decided to start selling some of our garden produce. Word around the town has spread and people are interested in getting some of our delicious vegetables and fruit. We decided to create a wait list to make sure that we can sell all of our new customers, right? So define a list called garden wait list. All right. And then set the value equal to Jiho. So Jiho and then Adam. What happened? Yes, sometimes you have to do that. Okay, Adam. And then we also have Sunny. And finally, Alicia. Okay. Okay, there you go, garden wait list. And then Adam decided that his fridge is too full at the present moment and asked us to remove him from the list. So replace Adam with the other interested customer, Kala. So we can just do garden waitlist at index 01 now equals Kala. And we need to print it out. Print the garden waitlist like so. Right, and we get Kala instead of Adam. Alicia realized that she had already stocked with all of the items we were selling. She asked us to replace her with her friend Alex, who just ran out. Replace Alicia with Alex using a negative index. So we can do the same thing as we did here. And we'll just do -1. So we access Alicia, and then the name will be Alex, and yeah, same thing applies. We get Alex here. So this is the final result of our list. So that's basically how you just replace people on there, right? And then in the next video, we'll be learning how to shrink a list. So stay tuned for that. Until next time, I'll see you guys. Also, if you want to get frequent updates on how to get tech internships, or if you want the links to apply to, just go ahead and check out the top link in the description. You'll be very excited for it. And yeah, hope to talk to you soon, and subscribe for more, and have a great day.